अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कहते हैं शौक की कोई सरहद नहीं होती। तो आज मैं आपकी मुलाकात एक ऐसी ही खातून से करवा रहा हूँ जो रहती तो जर्मनी में है, लेकिन उनको पाकिस्तान इतना पसंद है कि वो यहाँ 17 मरतबा आ चुकी हैं और उनको सबसे ज़्यादा पाकिस्तान की रेलगाड़ियाँ और उनमें सफ़र करना पसंद है। मिलिए सिल्क से, जो कि मेरी बहुत अच्छी दोस्त भी हैं और सयाहत के लिए अक्सर पाकिस्तान भी आती रहती हैं। हम में से ज़्यादातर पाकिस्तानी अपने मुल्क की खूबसूरती से ना आशना हैं, लेकिन इन्होंने पाकिस्तान के तोलो अर्ज़ को बहुत अच्छे से खोजा हुआ है। गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के बुलंदो बाला पहाड़ों से लेकर पेशावर के बाज़ारों, पंजाब के मैदानी इलाकों से लेकर सिंध के कदीमी कल्चर को और बलोचिस्तान की संगलाख चट्टानों तक का सफ़र तय कर चुकी हैं। और सबसे ख़ास बात यह है कि पाकिस्तान में जब भी सफ़र का मौका मिलता है, इनकी कोशिश होती है कि रेलगाड़ी पर ही सफ़र करें। आज है 16 मार्च 2021 और आज दोपहर को मैं इनके साथ मौजूद हूं कराची के एक सब स्टेशन ड्रिग कॉलोनी जंक्शन पर, जहां हम दोनों करेंगे कुछ रेल फैनिंग और रेलोग्राफी, और उसके बाद इनके पाकिस्तानी ट्रेन्स के बारे में कुछ तासुरात जानकर कराची सर्कुलर रेलवे में ड्रिग कॉलोनी जंक्शन से कराची कैंटोनमेंट स्टेशन तक का सफ़र भी करेंगे। सबसे पहले इनसे पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान रेलवेज के बारे में कुछ बातचीत करते हैं। Can you tell us that what makes you keep coming back to Pakistan again and again?
First of all, the hospitality, the overwhelming hospitality. It's, every time you come here, you have unique experiences. You meet so many interesting people, especially on train rides. That's, by the way, why I'm a bit addicted now to Pakistan trains. You will just join in with common people and you will have a fantastic experience. And that's unique. So that's why I'm coming back. And again and again.
And how many times precisely?
17. And definitely more to come. I'm already planning for the next in September.
That's great. And could you tell my viewers more about your experiences in the mountains of Pakistan, most of the places which even the Pakistanis are not aware about, which you have seen?
Well, the mountains are outstanding. When you see the landscape, they're just mind-blowing. The first time you come to Gilgit-Baltistan, going up to Kundra Pass, it's jaw-dropping. It's big, it's huge, it's always world record landscape. You will see Rekaposhi right from the KKH. You will see Ulta Peak right from your hotel. That 5,000 meters looking up, 6,000 meters looking up. This is something. And also there, everywhere the same hospitality. This is unique, no matter how diverse this country is. So many different cultures in a small place, but right from Baluchistan to Karakoram, it's always beautiful. And this just in one country, it's amazing.
Okay, now please tell us that why train journey in Pakistan fascinates you.
Because it's like a travel in time. When I'm traveling in Germany by train, it doesn't give me any feeling. Although even there, sometimes late, but it's just more, everything's working, but life is cut out. Here, you might see goats on the train track, then the train is coming, everybody's disappearing. As soon as the train is gone, life is coming back. Second, the trains are just full of life. People are traveling with families. They're willing to invite you for food, for whatsoever. And it's not that hectic, not that fast. It's seriously, you feel like you're traveling in time. All the small train stations, I love them. I love to stop somewhere, just jump out, buy a water bottle, buy some chai, jump in again. It's peaceful. Simply peace of mind.
Okay, now can you please tell us some station names that you saw during your last train journey?
Well, there are stations like Shishavatni, Mian Shashnu. There are some names that are really hard for me to pronounce. I was asking fellow travelers and I was laughing so much. I'm really sorry, this is not an offense, but Shishavatni, what is this? It's crazy. But of course there are other, like Sakar, Multan. Multan is a beautiful train station. Bahalvapur, Rodi, Kaipur, many places you just go by, but Punjab has crazy train stations, seriously.
Of all the trains that you have traveled in Pakistan, which one is your favorite?
That's hard to say. Okay, maybe when I'm going on a longer trip, Green Line, I sleep like a baby. It just takes me 10 minutes and I fall asleep because they're not smoothly there. Like the way of shaking, I love it. But Shahussain, they're all good because in the end you meet people. And this is the best thing. But of course, Green Line is the most comfortable one if you go on a long journey. And sleeping in a train is something that I really love. That's why, by the way, I'm really happy at home when I feel stressed, I watch your videos and it reminds me of my train rides. And I'm like, okay, yeah, now I'm cool and relaxed. And they're all good.
Apart from trains, can you tell us that why people should visit Pakistan?
For me, it starts all with the hospitality, with the genuine hospitality. I'm not talking about professional hospitality. I'm talking about it. You need to make a phone call. You just ask somebody if he's giving you his phone to make a phone call. You need anything, people will help you. So then, of course, for me, it's the landscape. Wherever you go, it's stunning. It's so beautiful. Baluchistan, Punjab, Sindh, Karakoram, of course. Then history, street life, Lahore, Peshawar, Karachi, they're all very different. You have a diversity of different cultures in one country, but the one thing that is common everywhere is hospitality. They just compete in being the most. You don't know if Peshawar is more hospitable, then you go to Lahore, you're like, oh wow. So for me, it's basically the people and then landscape. You will find something that will be interesting. You're interested in culture, there's a lot of culture. You're interested in history, go for it. But whatever you do, people will go out of their way to help you and make it a unique experience. That's why I'm coming back.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
केसीआर के सफ़र से पहले इधर जिन ट्रेन्स का गुजर हुआ वो ये थी। सबसे पहले गुजर हुआ 6 डाउन ग्रीन लाइन का, जिसको HGMU 30 लोकोमोटिव लीड कर रहा था। ग्रीन लाइन के फौरन बाद ही 31 अब जिना एक्सप्रेस का गुजर हुआ और उसकी लीड पर था GU 40 लोकोमोटिव। इन दोनों ट्रेन्स के बाद एक कड़क चाय को एंजॉय किया और इसी दौरान अगले गुजरने वाली ट्रेन थी 41 अप कराकोरम एक्सप्रेस, जिसकी लीड पर भी GU 40 लोकोमोटिव था। कुछ ही देर में एक और ट्रेन 33 अब पाक बिजनेस एक्सप्रेस का गुजर हुआ और उसकी लीड पर था AGE 30 लोकोमोटिव। अगली ट्रेन थी 44 डाउन शाह हुसैन एक्सप्रेस, जिसमें इन्होंने कुछ दिन पहले ही रोड़ी से कराची तक का सफ़र तय किया था। That was Shah Hussain Express. Shah Hussain Express.
Yeah, last time he was late for 3 hours, but now he's perfect in time.
सिर्फ 2 मिनट बाद ही अगली ट्रेन 149 अप मेहरान एक्सप्रेस HGMU 30 लोकोमोटिव के साथ गुजरी। इनसे बातचीत के दौरान भी एक ट्रेन का गुजर हुआ था जो कि 15 अप कराची एक्सप्रेस थी और उसकी लीड पर GU 40 लोकोमोटिव था। आखिरकार 5:34 पर KCR 4 डाउन ट्रेन भी ड्रिक कॉलोनी जंक्शन आ पहुंची, जिसकी लीड पर GMU 304712 लोकोमोटिव था और इसी पर हम दोनों ने एक छोटा सा सफ़र तय करके कराची कैंटोनमेंट स्टेशन तक जाना था। इस सफ़र के बाद सिल्क ने पाकिस्तानियों को ये पैगाम भी दिया।
For the first time, I took the Karachi Circular Railways train. I loved it. It's such a nice experience. Just one request to every Pakistani: don't throw your garbage everywhere. Otherwise, it's seriously a beautiful experience one should make when coming to Karachi.
यूं एक ज़बरदस्त शाम का इख्तिताम हुआ और मुझे ये जानकर बहुत खुशी हुई कि पाकिस्तान रेलवेज़ के रेल फैन सिर्फ पाकिस्तान में नहीं दूसरे मुल्कों में भी मौजूद हैं। उम्मीद है आपने भी ये वीडियो पसंद की होगी। इंशाअल्लाह जल्द दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।